Hi, I'm Matt Simpson, Executive Director of Ford Customization here on the USS Midway in San Diego. And what better way to celebrate America's 250th birthday than with the trucks that help build this nation? Introducing the all-new 2027 Super Duty Proud to Honor package. This all-new limited edition from Ford Custom Garage features bold red, white, and blue graphics combined with sleek, darkened exterior accents. It turns this truck into a rolling tribute to service, sacrifice, and national pride. And check out these wheels. Depending on your configuration, it includes a bold black look, including an all-new 19.5-inch forged aluminum black wheel offered for the first time ever on a dual rear wheel package. And the trends of personalization are growing. Almost half of Ford customers are accessorizing their vehicle in some form, and this is where Ford Custom Garage comes in. We are offering more custom packages with easy installation through our dealers or lad centers, and every package includes a 3-year, 36,000-mile supplemental warranty that won't void your main vehicle warranty. And this isn't just about design, it's about real impact. Every single purchase gives back. A portion of proceeds from every Proud to Honor package will go to support Blue Star families and Ford's Proud to Honor veteran service initiatives, continuing Ford's long-standing tradition of supporting our military members, veterans, and their families. Drive with pride, drive with purpose.